What's up, fam? Welcome back to another episode of Valerie's series of lame events. And today I'll be bringing you along with me as I prepare my dinner. So yeah, today I'm gonna make kimchi fried rice. So yeah, come, let me teach you how to cook like a chef. Okay, so first up, you want to chop your garlic. First of all, smash it hard and then peel it and then chop it into whatever size you want. And then it's time to prep your chicken, my chicken I mean. I cut it into smaller cubes so it's easier to cook, but you know, anything works. And then season with salt and pepper. I like a little bit more pepper. And then use your holy hands to mix it all in. I know it's disgusting touching raw food, but hey, that's where you get the most flavors. Then you light your stove, put a pan on there, lightly oil it. I don't like my fried rice to be very oily because, you know. And then you stir fry your garlic, make it fragrant. Yeah, it's really simple, just stir fry lah. And then when it's a little bit brown, add in your kimchi, and then you stir fry it together to make it absorb all the garliciness. And then you add your chicken, stir fry, make sure kimchi is cooked together with the chicken, and then when it's evenly distributed, cover it with a lid so that it's cooked evenly because nobody wants to eat raw chicken. And then you add in your rice, and yes, I know my pan's a little bit too small, but hey, that's all I have. Anybody wants to sponsor me? Then after that, add in your red pepper paste, stir fry it again. I mean, it's called fried rice, you know. Add in your sesame oil. I basically just eyeball everything. There's no accurate measurements to it, so you do you, man. Stir fry it, make it evenly coat with all the goodness, and then it's time to fry your egg. So lightly oil your pan, crack in an egg gently. You want to keep the yolk intact, right? So yeah, make it cook for a little bit and then you cover it with a lid. This will make sure that the whites are cooked and then the yolk is still ready. So I'm gonna plate it nicely because I'm extra AF. Yeah, and then I put the egg on top. And that's basically it. Yay! So yeah, of course I have to do this because, you know. Okay, so I'm done cooking and then yeah, I'm gonna eat it now. Okay, so to be honest, if you don't take health into consideration at all, don't use chicken. Chicken doesn't have much flavor on its own anyway, so it might taste a bit bland for those who like super gao flavors. So if you do, I recommend you to use pork or pork belly or bacon. Like, those will give it more flavor. All in all, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good actually, not lying. I mean, I am no chef, right? But I am a chef. Anyways, thank you guys for watching me cook. I know it's pretty lame, but yeah, bye!